Welcome to Handyman School. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Let's begin. Hey guys, just want to make a quick video to show you, this product that I came across. You see the dirt build up behind this leather seat. This is actually Toyota Sienna, a gray color seat. As you can see, it's dirty, so I decided to use this Oxi-Clean product that I found in the Advanced Auto or the AutoZone. So it's not designed for leather. However, I figured let me just try it out because this dirt's been there for a couple of years already, and I tried many different things, nothing seemed to work. So I just decided to try this. I'm using this sponge and brush to scrub in this chemical on their seat to try to see if the dirt will come off. You might want to try on some other place first to see how your leather reacts. In my case, I just wanted to try it out. I was fed up with looking at this dirt, so I'm just gonna go around and see how this stuff works. So far, I'm gonna get a towel, and now next step is just wipe it down. Whoa, wow, look at that. All the dirt came off. Interesting. And this is what you get. Very nice. You saw what the before picture looked like. Now look after the spray. Another thing I want to show you is this place over here in the if you own a Sienna and you got this 8-seater, and you will have this place over here, and after 6-7 years, that's what it looks like. I never knew that I would be able to clean this. Since I have this product, I'm very happy with it. Let me see what it looks like after I'm done with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of it and use the same technique with the sponge and a brush. Scrub for a few minutes and see what it comes down to. I mean, I'm very happy with this product because now it saved me so much work and time. Oh wow, it's already looking good. Can't wait until I wipe this down. Oh wow, look at that. It's day and night difference over here. Another place I want to show you is this third dirty place in this car, in this Sienna. And again, I'm gonna apply the same product. Just want to let you know that I do not have any kind of endorsement for this product. I'm not trying to sell it. I just figured that I shared this with my subscribers, a beneficial knowledge. I find it useful, so I figure I share it with you guys. I had no idea this product would be able to do what it's doing. It's very interesting. If you own a car or a van, I'm sure you would have, if not at this state, you probably have something, much better looking than this particular car. But even if it looks like this, there's a product out there like this one that you could actually take all the dirt off that accumulated for the last 5 to 6 years. After I wipe it down, let's see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Nice. Imagine I went over it again with a new applying. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.